Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I applied this really cute set using the Gel X method. So let's get into it. So first off, I laid all the nails out so I can see all the nail sizes and see which color comes in which size. And this set was so mixed up. Like only two nails were the same size for the thumbs, and one was orange and one was pink. So I was like, okay, maybe I'll do one hand orange and one hand pink. So I'm just sizing my nails and making sure they fit my nail beds from side wall to side wall. These nails are pretty sturdy at the tip, flexible at the cuticle. They have a pretty nice curve to them. The only thing I don't like is that all the ones with the leaves on them only fit on my pinky, and then the set was so mixed up in sizes that I could not create a cohesive set that matches perfectly, but this is still cute. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this set. And I'm going to be using this Modelones Gel X kit that I got on Amazon, which will be linked in the description of this video in my storefront. And this 4-in-1 nail glue is absolutely amazing. You can use it to apply nail tips. You can use it to put on rhinestones. You can use it as blooming gel. It's just bomb all the way around. And as you can see, I am applying a very small amount to the underside of the press-on nail and then a very small amount onto my natural nail. So you don't want to apply too much because you're going to have a lot of spillage. So after you apply the glue, you're going to line that nail up with your cuticle area and press down, and you'll see all the glue spread up to the top of the nail. And then you're going to take it under that nail lamp, and when you press that button, it automatically cures it for 60 seconds. And boom, all the nails are on my right hand. And as I'm applying them on my left hand, I'm going to give you a little bit more detail. I love this Modelones Gel X kit because it comes with the 4-in-1 nail glue. It comes with the UV nail lamp, and it also comes with, I believe, 500 full cover nail tips, and they're a long coffin shape. And the tips come in multiple sizes, so you got everything you need in this one kit. And I believe the kit is only $13, and it may even go down lower for Black Friday. So make sure you guys check my Amazon storefront for these Black Friday deals, because honey, Amazon got it going on. I've also added a lot more things onto my storefront, and I'll continue to add more. And you guys can see all the deals, all my favorite stuff, all my nail stuff, hair stuff, everything. So make sure you guys check that out. So now we are moving on to our index finger. And as you can see, I'm applying a small amount onto the underside of the press-on nail. I am also applying a small amount onto my natural nail all over my nail bed from side wall to side wall. Make sure you top your glue up after each use. And then you're going to line that press-on nail up with your cuticle area. Press down and you'll see the glue spread under your nail. And then use your other finger to hit that power button on that nail lamp and guide your finger under the nail lamp so that it can cure that glue. You can let it go after about maybe 10 seconds and let the light finish it all the way. The lamp is automatically set for 60 seconds. So once your finger is under there, you just let the light finish curing it. And I did not speed up the video right here because I wanted you guys to see in real time how long the curing takes and exactly how the nail comes out after it is done curing. And boom, just like that, the nail came out perfect. And look how sturdy the nails are. This glue is so good. These nails are not going anywhere. I only wear my nails for a few days, but there's no doubt that if I wanted to wear this set longer than a few days, it's definitely going to last. I'm applying this set in particular for Thanksgiving. These are going to be my Thanksgiving nails. And by the time you guys see this video, it will be on Thanksgiving. And speaking of Thanksgiving, I just want to say how thankful I am for each and every one of you guys that have subscribed to my channel, showed my channel any type of love, whether it was a comment or a like or a share. I appreciate you all so much, and I know I say this to y'all all the time. I always let y'all know how much I appreciate y'all, but I feel like since it is Thanksgiving, I'm just going to reiterate that and let y'all know how much Chalk loves you and appreciates you, and I would not be where I am with my channel without you guys' love and support. So I am so thankful for you all. I'm still growing my channel, and I've come a long way from the beginning to when I first started my channel. So thank y'all so much for rocking with me and continuing to show your love and support to my channel. It is so appreciated, and y'all are just awesome. Shout out to my new subscribers. Shout out to my day ones and everybody that's been following me for a minute. I love y'all. Thank you. Okay, let's get back into the tutorial before I start crying. So I'm on my last finger on my left hand, which is my pinky. And we're just going to cure that on up for 60 seconds. And then boom, just like that, we got us a fresh set. And you can't tell me these nails do not look like I went to the nail shop and got them done. Minus the glue spillage. So we have a couple spots where I put a little bit too much glue and it spilled over around my cuticle area. So I'm going to show you guys how to easily remove it. Now, if you are not good with cuticle nippers, you can totally just file it off with a nail file. The nail file takes a little bit more time, which is why I'm going to use this cuticle nipper in this video, because it's so easy to just take a cuticle nipper and clip that excess glue from around your cuticles. You definitely have to be very careful not to cut your skin. If you don't know how to handle a cuticle nipper, or you don't have a steady hand to do so, you may just want to go ahead and take your time and file that excess glue from around your nails. But if you can handle using a cuticle nipper, it's so easy and effective. See how I just slid that cuticle nipper up under the glue, and then I'm going to nip it right off. And it comes off so easy. But again, if you are not good with the cuticle nipper, or you feel like you're going to cut yourself, do not use this method. So now that we got all the excess glue off, I'm just going to paint over all the nails with my Modelones base coat. And I am basically using this base coat because you need a foundation to lay your top coat onto so that your top coat doesn't peel off. If you just apply some top coat onto your nails without the base coat, there is a chance that your top coat can peel off and will not last as long. So I feel like when I apply the base coat, it definitely gives the nails a layer for the top coat to stick to, and my nails do not chip, they don't bend, they don't break. So every set that I do, I always apply a base coat and 2 layers of top coat. And you cure that base coat for 60 seconds, and then now it's time to apply our top coat. And child, I did not know my top coat was bone dry. Like, I did not know that my Modelones top coat was running low. So I only had enough to do one hand. So I just applied top coat onto my left hand, and I cured that top coat for 60 seconds under my Melody Susie nail lamp. So at least you guys will get to see how the nails look with a top coat and without a top coat. So next, of course, we have to apply our cuticle oil around our cuticles to make sure they are nice and fresh, because y'all know I don't play about having crusty cuticles, especially after you done applied a fresh set. You got to make sure your cuticles are nice and fresh and moisturized as well. And this is the finished look of the nails, and as you can see, my left hand is a little bit more glossier than the right. I ran out of top coat, so I'm definitely going to head over to Amazon and order me some more of that Modelones top coat, because it's just that bomb. So again, make sure you guys click the link in the description of the video. All the products and everything will be linked in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved doing it. I love y'all. Happy Thanksgiving. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.